WME-Term software can be run on a Windows system. By using the program, you can connect to your modem with a PC. The software provides access to detailed operating settings for the following WME modem types. WME-Term is the ultimate application for configuring the smart metering connectivity and monitoring. The downloadable software is free to use and available in multiple languages. By using this, you can configure these smart metering modem types. WME-1's external modem for Elster, Honeywell Alpha electricity meters. WME-1's SL7000 external modem for Itron SL7000 meters. WME-1's Iskra modem for Iskra MT830, MT831 meters. WME-1 SI external modem for Itron meters. WME-1 SL external modem for LandisGyr E350, E450, E550 meters. WME-2S modem for Itron ACE and SL meter families. WME-2 SL modem for LandisGyr E350, E450, E550 meters. WME-3S modem version for Elster, Honeywell AS meters. WME-8S universal modem for any meters or measurement devices. Universal Industrial Connection DIN rail modem for any electricity meter. In addition, the software can also configure various versions of the WMI cellular IoT data logger. The WME-Term software is easy to use. After entering the necessary login data, just select the modem version to be configured. Then create a connection profile according to the connection method you want and select the added profile. The software is now able to configure the operating parameters of the connected modem. You can read out the value settings of the modem or modify them. WME-Term uses the settings in various parameter groups. These groups include the AMM-IEC group, Data and Event Push Settings, SMS Messages Last Gasp Event. The AMM-DLMS Server Settings. The APN for APN Zone and SIM Card Settings. The Device Manager Platform Connection Settings. The Network Protocols Time Server Settings. The M2M GPRS group for Internet Connection Settings. The Mobile Network Settings. The Calendar and Time Zone Settings. The 485-meter Interface Settings. The Transpi NTA group for Serial Transparent Data Transmission Settings. The Watchdog Monitoring and Restart Settings. The General Meter Settings, Date Identifiers, LED Operation. The Secondary Communication Channel Settings. In addition, for certain modem versions, the following groups are also available. M-Bus Channel Settings. P1 Customer Interface Settings. Ethernet Interface Settings. In WME-Term, you can check the current status and operation of the modem, the detected mobile network signal strength value, SIM card data, and the information that which mobile network the modem was registered to. The software creates a log file of the modem's interactions, which is suitable for troubleshooting and understanding what is happening in the background during the operation. You can set various encryption options too. The WME-Term is an easy-to-use and quick-to-learn software in which you have many options to set up and configure the modem. If you would like to further expand your knowledge of using the program, check out our other tutorials.